What was your biggest success or contribution to your organization or team during this term? One of the biggest contributions to my previous organization was working on different ways to improve processes in the company, which included increasing revenue, maximizing services, as well as minimizing repetitive efforts. Maximizing revenue included observing and improving any areas of opportunity and improvement in the sales process, working with customers from different parts of the United States as well as countries south of the border to improve their payment methods as well as the delivery of the merchandise that they may need at any given point in time. One of the other important aspects that we were looking to improve was communication between both of our parties. Communication was a key area of opportunity that I believe was improved during my tenure, especially during the last portion of the year 2019. And one of the main reasons was because of the language barrier, because of the fact that I was able to speak English and Spanish and being bilingual, and also being able to communicate effectively with the customers and assessing their needs was very important. And due to that, there was a big improvement in revenue, communication, and quality of the service that was provided to our customers. Question number 2 was, how did you accomplish it, and would you have done anything differently? Why or why not? Looking back at the success that we had and how it translated to revenue, we could have done things differently. Despite the fact that we had success, we could have achieved this in a quicker fashion and we could have been able to get more revenue during the whole fiscal year of 2019. One of the methods that we used was implementing a SMART method. SMART standing for smart, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting these goals, we were able to accomplish our tasks during a specific period of time, but we also realized during this process that we were able to use other methods, fusing them with the SMART method that we had implemented, and we were able to get success. For instance, we could have used Gantt charts to set timely tasks with hard deadlines to obtain these goals. An example that I could provide was working with our customers in Colombia. Colombia was one of the emerging markets in terms of medical devices. And the best way for us to be able to penetrate that market was working with customers that we had already established business before. By doing this, the first thing we did was to establish confidence in the customers to let them know what we were offering and the quality of our products, as well as the quality of our customer experience having an account manager like myself that spoke both English and Spanish. Doing this, along with the positive feedback with the customers that we had worked with, we were able to establish a good business, and Colombia became the second largest country in Latin America in terms of revenue, behind Brazil for the year 2019, increasing over 100% revenue regarding 2018.